Hello friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is pre-algebra class lecture 35. Here we will solve a question about radical expression. First, now here we will solve this question. Question 1, it is equal to here we rationalize this root. We get 1 minus 1 multiply square root of 2 over square root of 2 into square root of 2 into 1 over 2 minus square root of 2. It is equal to 1 minus 1 multiplied by square root of 2 square root of 2 over square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 square root of 2 whole square. It is equal to 2 into 1 over 2 minus square root of 2. It is equal to 1 multiplied by 2 minus square root of 2 over 2 into 1 over 2 minus square root of 2. These two cancelled. It is equal to 1 over 2. Question 1, question 2. Question 2, we have 2 over 1 minus square root of 2 over 1 minus 1 over square root of 2 minus 1. We want to solve this question. Here it is the common fraction line. It is final fraction. From beginning we want to rationalize this fraction. It is equal to 2. We write 2 over 1 minus square root of 2 over 1 minus 1 multiplied by square root of 2 plus 1 over square root of 2 minus 1 into square root of 2 plus 1. We rationalize this fraction, then it is equal to 2 over 1 minus square root of 2 over 1 minus 1 multiplied by square root of 2 plus 1 over square root of 2 minus 1 into square root of 2 plus 1 it will become 2 minus 1. It is equal to 2 over 1 minus square root of 2 over 1 minus, here it will become 1 square root of 2 minus 1. This minus multiplied by 2 by 1. Then we get minus square root of 2 minus 1. These two cancel. It is equal to 2 over 1 minus divided by minus plus square root of 2. 2 over square root of 2. Now, 1 minus this cancelled. Here we have square root of 2 over square root of 2. This is square root of 2 divided by this square root of 2. Then it is equal to 2 over 1 plus 1. It is equal to 2 over 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. It is equal to 1. Question 3. Question 3. 2 square root of 2 plus square root of 3 minus 1 over square root of 2 plus square root of 3. We want to solve this question. It is equal to square root of 2 plus square root of 3 minus 1 into square root of 2 plus square root of 3 over square root of 2 plus square root of 3 into square root of 2 minus square root of 3. It is equal to square root of 2 plus square root of 3 minus 1 multiplied by square root of 2 plus square root of 3. Here we get 2 minus 3. It is equal to square root of 2. 2 minus 3, it is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 3 minus square root of 2 plus square root of 3 over minus 1. These two divided, then we get square root of 2 plus square root of 3 minus it will become square root of 2 plus square root of 3. It is equal to 2 into square root of 2 plus 2 into square root of 3. 2 into square root of 3. It is the answer of this question. Here we did a mistake. We have plus, we have to multiply by minus. Here also it is plus, it is minus. Okay. Here also it is minus. It is also minus. And these two divided, it will become plus, it is equal to minus. These two cancel, then it is equal to 2 into square root of 2. It is question 3. Question 4. Question 4 we have square root of 0.64 minus square root of 1.96 over square root of 0.36 plus 1. We want to solve this question. It is equal to square root of 64 over 100 minus square root of 196 over 100 over square root of 36 over 100 plus 1. It is equal to 64. It is, the square root of 64 is 8 over 10 minus 14 over 10 over 6 over 10 plus 1. It is equal to here we get 10 common denominator, 8 minus 14, it is equal to minus 6 over 6 over 10 plus 1. Minus 6 over 10 divided by 6 over 10, it is equal to minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. It is the answer of this question. Question 4. Question 5. Question 5, it is equal to if the index and exponent of radicand are even, then we can write absolute value of radicand. Radicand here is minus 4 plus 3 into 3 minus absolute value of minus 3 over absolute value of minus 1 plus 16 square root of 16 is 4. It is equal to 4 plus 9 minus 3 over 1 plus 4. It is equal to 4 plus 9 13, 13 minus 3 10 over 5 over 5. It is equal to 2. It is the answer. Question 5. Question 6. Question 6. We have square root of 0.81 plus square root of 0.49 over square root of 2.56 minus square root of 1.44. It is equal to it will become 0.9, it is equal to 0.7, it is equal to 0.16, yeah, 0.16. If we multiply 0.16 to 0.16 multiply by 0.16, it should be equal to 2.56. 1 point. Here also 1.6 minus 1.2. Then we get it is equal to, if we add these two number, we can get 1.6 over, if we subtract, we get 0.4. It is equal to 16 over 10 over 4 over 10. It is equal to 10. This cancel, 16 divided by 4, it is equal to 4. It is the answer of question 7. Question 6. Question 7, we have 1 over 5th root of a over 6th root of a. It is equal to 1 over 5th root of a over, we bring a inside the 6th root of a, then we can write a to the power 6 over a. It is square root of 6th root of a to the power 6 over a. It is equal to 1 over, if we multiply this to 5 multiplied by 6, 30. According to the division law of power, then we can write a to the power 6 minus 1. It is equal to square root of 1 over square 3rd root of a to the power 5. We cancel 1, 5 by 30. We get 1 over 6th root of a to the power 5, or we can write a to the power minus 5 over 6. Both of them are same. They are the answer of this question. Thank you.